I will never forget what I asked God that day as I began to drown. Save me so I can see my son again, and I will live my life for you. Now I spend my life with family and friends in the great outdoors, using my story to tell God's story. I'm Michael Harrell, and this is Surrender Outdoors. Surrender Outdoors is brought to you in part by Flatline Digital and by Obsession Bows. Well, this week we are at Choctaw Hunting Lodge in Blanco, Oklahoma. In previous episodes you saw we went on an alligator hunt. At that point in time, we was in year 5 working with each other.
Yep.
Got a hunt planned, got some OAD products up at the Choctaw Hunting Lodge, and was able to work out a hunt for Jeff.
This is day 1, right? Day 1, the Choctaw Hunting Lodge in Oklahoma. And we're after a particular deer. And hopefully this afternoon he comes in and I get a shot on him. If you notice, I didn't say kill, I said a shot. So, either way, we're going to have some fun the next couple days, and we'll see how it goes.
Travis took us to a place that we like to call Little Colorado.
Yep. Beautiful.
It's
top of a mountain.
Very top of a mountain.
So we are waiting for the elusive coal bug that I have named mine. Because if I kill it, it's mine.
We had seen a lot of deer that morning. Of course, we have this 150 come out on us. How many times?
About 5 or 6.
About 5, I think. Yeah, about 5 times.
Within 15 yards. And I called him a cold deer, and you argue with me, and I said, no, that's my cold deer. Michael, that's my cold deer.
Because he's on a coal buck hunt, which there's a lot of big coal bucks.
Or they like to say managed.
Yeah, management deer. So we're hunting a management deer. I call them coals. So anyway, Jeff had to pass this 4.5-year-old beautiful 150-inch deer. It took everything I had to do to convince him not to shoot that deer. I had to take his bow away from him.
A man asks for forgiveness rather than permission. This is that opportunity. And Michael won't let me. Alright. This morning, Michael wouldn't let me take my coal buck, the 15-pointer. So, the good news is we pulled the card from the camera and we found actually the buck that we've been looking for. He's about an 18-inch inside 8-point, and he's definitely a cold buck. So me and him are like little kids right now. We just got in the box stand and what are you doing? Freshening up. So we just got in here. And we're hoping that he shows up. And like I said, I'm hoping to shoot, not to kill, but to get the opportunity to shoot.
The E1 LTE wireless cell cam from Covert. Ultra-fast trigger speeds, 10 burst mode options, and wireless transmission across AT&T and Verizon networks. 24/7, 365. When he's there, you will know it.
Bushwhackers Land Clearing provides cost-effective land clearing and brush grinding services in Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, and surrounding areas. Our environmentally conscious approach keeps soil disturbance to a minimum, and we can use selective land clearing to clear only the trees you want removed. Bushwhackerslandclearing.com. Commercial, farm and ranch, and right-of-way clearing. 580-920-5039.
Shamrock's Bank Online and mobile app technology was created to add more time to your day. You can do almost anything from the convenience of your phone or laptop. You're more than a customer. We are more than a bank. Member FDIC, Equal Housing Lender.
Get a deal on the #1 selling compact tractor in the U.S. for over 10 years. Get an L-Series tractor for 0 down and 0% APR for 60 months, plus save up to $1,600.
This segment of Surrender Outdoors is brought to you by 4 Elements Performance Apparel, Heaven Sent Whitetail Attractant, Outright Hunting Products Morph Pro, and Better the Hunts Bow Mitt.
This morning, Michael wouldn't let me take my cold buck. A man asked for forgiveness rather than permission.
And I said, no, that's my cold deer. Michael, that's my cold deer.
The good news is we pulled the card from the camera and we found actually the buck that we've been looking for. He's about an 18-inch inside 8-point. So we just got in here. And we're hoping that he shows up. And like I said, I'm hoping to shoot, not to kill, but to get the opportunity to shoot.
Well, we get to that evening, so we're probably 20-minute buggy drive from the lodge in normal conditions. So anyways, you know, we've seen lots of deer, but the atmosphere starts changing.
And it's hot in 80. But the good news is there is a bad storm coming. And as of course, rain precedes it. And the deer are moving like crazy. All the way up here we saw deer. When we got to the food plot, there were deer in it. We ran them off as soon as we got to the stand. New deer came from another direction in. So we've got 2 deer here and a spike that we've never seen. So there's new deer. So we're hoping to get it done today.
Yeah, we can hear thunder way off, and then we start to see it. We didn't know there's a chance of rain, did we?
Well, we saw on the radar the squall line was coming, but...
No, but before we went, we didn't even know there's a chance of rain.
No.
It's coming. They're coming bad. They're cracking. I'm a little bit worried. We're sitting on a hill that's got trees just done been lightning strict. And we're in the wide open. So, and Travis is 10 miles from us. Travis ain't coming out in this. I hope he's watching the radar. He probably ain't. Oh, he's watching. I know what he's doing. Pull that up real quick. We gotta check radar real quick, and we may have to take cover. There's a heck of a wall cloud over there. Where we going? I'll show you folks. Where we going?
Our boy lost his cool there for a little bit. and was wanting to leave, get out of the box stand. What'd you say? Let's go find a rock.
Under the biggest rock I can find.
Let's go lay down. I said, we can't lay down. There's a flood. We drowned if we tried to lay down. So we waited it out in the box stand. Got you nice and calm. That was the main thing. And
Well,
then,
it rained for about an hour.
Look at that wall cloud. That's what's coming right now. Oh, look at that. God, let's see the radar. Where are we at? Yeah. I think we're right there. No, up. Yeah, close to it though. Close enough. Well, we about to make a memory. That major stuff I think is gonna miss us out.
We actually see a tornado come down and go right back up. I mean, when the bottom dropped out, it dropped out.
Alright, we had some interesting things happen. Before all this started, we had some deer come in about 50 yards from us in that tall grass. And some does, we watched them come in and start feeding and then lay down. Well, we didn't pay any mind to them. When the storm hit, it got pretty rough. And all of a sudden, I looked out the right window past Michael, and the does were getting up and running. They ran 25 yards right here behind the stand. And we don't understand what spooked them until the lightning bolt hit 119 yards, which we just ranged the tree that it hit.
Hoffman Sanitation Services, servicing southeastern Oklahoma and North Texas. One stop for all your sanitation needs. If you need your septic or aerobic system pump, portable toilets for your construction site or special event, give us a call. Hoffman Sanitation Services. Go to hoffmansanitation.com.
Getting supplies for your next home project? Or maybe gearing up to hit the outdoors? We carry a wide variety of essentials for whatever you're doing next. Tisch Lumber, where service makes a difference. Blackburns, your plumber is on the way.
This segment of Surrender Outdoors is brought to you by Lynch Lawn and Landscape, Advantech Pest Services, Taco Casa, Durant and Calera, and Brewer's Auto Sales. We're on top of this mountain in a box blind, and probably, I would say, over 100 lightning strikes around us.
Torrential rain.
It's coming. We're in the wide open. We gotta check radar real quick, and we may have to take cover. There's a heck of a wall cloud.
They were getting up. You could see the horns coming out of the grass.
They were bedded there the whole time, by the way.
Yeah, we didn't know.
Yeah, didn't know. So lightning strikes 117, 119 yards from us. And at that point, I just freaked out.
So yes, we were in a dangerous situation, but the guide had dropped us off. We didn't want to get out of the box stand and get underneath the tree, of course. So we just rode it out inside here dry. So thing is, it's finally breaking.
We're under flash flood warning right now.
So we don't even know if we can get home.
We may be here all night. And that's when I start to realize Travis ain't gonna be able to get to us.
And that's when he said, Jeff, we may have some problems. We may have to spend the night in this box stand. Well, I didn't have a problem with that, but it's what you said. That was the best thing you said. How much candy do you have left? I said, I have one piece. He said, well, I have a piece.
We had 2 Mentos.
let's just nibble on them, and we'll be able to survive to the next day.
I looked at my water bottle, and I had about an inch of water in my water bottle.
We got half a bottle of water. Robert said we can drink heaven sent.
That's right.
Even though we're in a flood, we have
4 inches. No, they said it rained 6.5 inches.
It was enough.
It even washed out if you'll remember, it washed out the road.
Yep.
And the tin
the main
horn.
road getting.
Yep. So people couldn't get in and out.
Yeah.
It's been an interesting hunt, hasn't it?
It is.
But it's worth seeing those 2 big boys run up to the stand.
And then we didn't think it was going to quit raining, and that's when you said, if we can wait it out, if we can hold out until the very end, hopefully God blesses us, and if he'll just get this rain to stop,
right,
the deer are going to move.
Yeah, I knew if we just had a little bit of daylight left, if it stopped, they were going to come out and feed. Those deer had been in and out all day wanting to eat, and I no more say that. 10
minutes, matter of fact, the sun had already, I mean, you could tell, we had 10 minutes of shooting light.
We had 10 minutes of shooting light when I hear Jeff say, Michael, here they are.
Michael, there he is. He's right there. He's right there.
And I look over, and I can't see them, but Jeff can. They're so close to the box blind, they're practically walking under us.
Yeah, they're right there.
Can't get my thing on. No.
Jeff draws immediately. Evidently, he's never filmed hunts before.
Hey, that's what look, that was in my nature.
He didn't wait for me to tell him I'm ready.
Broadside.
So I'm not rolling. He's already drawed. Because of all the moisture, my Verizoom won't work on the camera. We don't get any B-roll of this buck coming in, and finally I get it on and have to manually hit the camera on after
I've
panicking.
been holding it.
37 seconds.
That was 5 minutes and 37 seconds worth.
No, it wasn't that long. It was close.
I was cool. Right, I was cool. Right up to the point where you said, I can't get it to record. And that moment is when I started shaking. And I believe I said, what?
And I think I said, I'm on him. He shot.
Yeah, baby. Oh my God. My parents didn't quit wanting to get good job with you. That's what I'm
Broadside, 15 steps. And he only went, what, about 40 yards?
I thought I made a bad shot at first.
No, it was perfect. He went down quick. Son.
Justin Boone with Bryan Appraisal and Realty understands the importance of your hard-earned dollar. Justin specializes in farm, ranch, and recreational properties. Give Justin a call no matter your realty needs. And remember, integrity still matters.
Hello, Texas Homeland. Ken Lefevre's here with Tishomingo Chevrolet. I'd like to invite you to our dealership. If you're looking for a hometown family business you can trust, Tishomingo Chevrolet is exactly what you're looking for. We are a proud small town dealership and we do what it takes.
Computer Services, this is Alex. We offer on-site IT services, computer cleanup, repair, and upgrades. We also provide website development and maintenance. Thanks for calling Computer Services. We look forward to working with you.
Family owned and operated, Bill's Custom Processing specializes in beef, pork, and deer. Bill's offers a variety of smoked sticks, grilling brats, jerkies, and summer sausages. Give us a call to schedule your appointment today.
Get a deal on the #1 selling compact tractor in the U.S. for over 10 years. Get an L-Series tractor for 0 down and 0% APR for 60 months, plus save up to $1,600.
This segment of Surrender Outdoors is brought to you by Touch of Nature Custom Woodworks, BM Surveying, and Southern Sportsman's Whitetail Foundation, raising funds to provide guided hunts to disabled veterans and kids. To donate or contribute, please contact us at any time.
Michael, there he is. There he is right there.
Jeff draws immediately, and I think I said, I'm on him. He shot.
Yeah, baby.
Broadside, 15 steps, and he only went, what, about 40 yards?
I thought I made a bad shot at first. We just got down. I don't know why I was whispering. Like everybody. We're gonna try to recover him. Hopefully he's down. Why, it's good daylight. Before the next storm. Yeah. That's my biggest buck ever.
Is it really?
Yes, with the bow.
All right, man.
Oh my God.
Hold him up here.
Oh my God, I'm back on the ride. Here we go.
Yeah.
I
All
can't
right.
do it. I can't do it.
Let's see what we got.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Baby, we did it. We did it.
There's deer everywhere coming in.
We did it. That's all that counts. What do you think? He's about 16, 17?
Yeah.
Hey,
He's nice, man.
Point is, he's one of the culls we've been looking for. Look how big he is.
Big body, didn't he?
He's huge.
It's awesome.
I'm glad we did this, man. I'm glad you stuck it out with me. And we were gonna leave this morning. You said no, Jeff. Look at my boy. Oh God. Man, you're the one that helped me with this. You know it. You got this all set up for me.
I'm glad.
So I gotta give thanks for. Thank God first, and then just meet one of my best friends, baby. And we watched him through that storm. Had to do all that lightning. This has been incredible. Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome, buddy.
Thank you.
Old Travis gonna be excited, isn't he?
He sure is. All I can tell you is this is living proof of when everything is down. As always, you just don't give up. And at the last second, we had just a couple minutes, and he come in first like he was on a string. He was meant to be. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Michael. And thank you, Choctaw, for giving me this opportunity.
Right. Lightning struck twice today.
I like the fact that we never gave up.
Never quit.
Never quit. Broadside, 15 steps, 5 minutes before shooting light's over with. I mean, even when, if you think about it, as many deer as we passed, even that good 8 point that came in, and I wanted to shoot it so bad, and you said no. You know,
just wait.
I know what lives here. I know what stays here. You know, hold out. And I was like, you sure? And for it to come down to that fact that the last hunt we had to go through that type of weather.
It all worked out.
Can you hear me? We've been hunting for 4 days.
Oh my God. Where's he?
Don't you turn away from me. I gotta give you some love, baby.
You think you were staying out here?
Yeah, I got one that you don't even have on film, a big tall 8 point.
Really?
I mean a big one. I mean, to me, he's massive, he's huge, you know?
I'm glad all that come together. In the blind, there was such a panic when that deer come out due to all the rain and moisture. Me not thinking that we were going to capture that moment on film when that Jeff was fixing to shoot this deer and I couldn't get the camera to come on. That just reminds me, you know, as a Christian, I panic over worldly things, but one thing that I don't panic about is knowing where I'm going. I have a relationship with Jesus Christ, and I know I'm going to spend eternity with the Father in heaven. So I want you to know that in John 3:16, the Bible tells us that God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. So won't you take his offer today and accept Jesus as your Lord and Savior? Thanks for watching. Tune in next week as we join some of our young guns hunting. And as always, God bless you.
Stop holding your breath. It's coming. The command of Kraken. Release the Kraken.